All right, now let's put those equations we just learned to use. Example 1. A wheel is rotated from rest with an angular acceleration of 8 radians per second. It accelerates for 5 seconds. Let's start out by determining the angular speed of our wheel. I'm going to choose this rotational kinematic equation because I know the time, I know the initial angular speed, and I know the acceleration. So all I have to do is substitute. So we're told that the wheel is rotated from rest, so our initial angular speed is 0. We're told that the initial angular acceleration is 8 radians per second, and we're told that the time is 5 seconds. 8 times 5 is 40 seconds, or 40 radians per second. So our angular speed is 40 radians per second. So now the question asks us the number of revolutions the wheel rotates through in 5 seconds. So given that this has to do with the number of rotations, I'm going to choose an equation that has to do with angular displacement. So just like before, our initial angular displacement, our initial speed is 0. So this term will become 0. Our acceleration is 8 radians per second squared, and our time is 5 seconds. So now that my substitution's done, all I have to do is solve for my angular displacement, and I find 100 radians is how much the angular displacement is over that 5-second period. But this question's asking us the number of rotations, so we need to convert radians into rotations. And so the way to do this is to take radians divided by 2 pi, because there's 2 pi radians in one full rotation. So 100 radians divided by 2 pi gives me 15.9 revolutions, or rotations. That's the end of the video.